Hello, in front of me I've got Lenovo Tab M7. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's enter Wallet. Tap View Wallet button. And as you can see from the homepage of this app, you can add payment cards, check quick tips, and manage your passes. If you go to Add to Wallet, you can add another transport pass, loyalty and gift card, and also payment card. If you go to menu, you've got access to your Google accounts, all wallet tips, contactless setup, which is unavailable because this tab doesn't have NFC. You can check full list of participating banks, and check your passwords in Password Manager. In your data in Wallet, you can manage payments data and passes data. In Wallet settings, you can manage payments profile, add passes from Gmail, enable or disable review purchases, updates about your passes and updates from Wallet and Google Pay. In the end, you can go to Help and Feedback. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.